Destined Competitive, welcome to you. Today is also reasoning part 2 class series. Reasoning series part 2 class. If you like, you must subscribe and share to others. First, is a 1, 3, 4, 8, 15, 27 and next number. How to find next number? 1, 3, 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 8. Answer is 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8. First table 8. Next 3, 4, 8. 3 plus 4 plus 8 is 15. Answer is 15. Next continue 3. 3 number you will add. 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 15. That is 27. Next 5, 8 plus 15 plus 27. 8, 15 23 plus 27. Answer is 50. 7, 5 12, 80, 20, 20, 40, 50. Answer is 50. Answer the consecutive 3 numbers. That is the next number. Consecutive 3 numbers. The next number. Consecutive 3 number. That is next number. And consecutive 3 number add as a next number. Second, there is 66, 36, 18. Next number is 36. The 6 into 2. Man consecutive number you will multiply the 6 into 6. Next number is 36. 3 into 6. Next number is 18. 1 into 8. Next number is 8. Answer is 80. Answer is 80. There is a 2-digit number अच्छी 6 से 6 multiply कले 36 हला 3 और 6 से multiply कले 18 हला 1 8 multiply कले 8 हला. That is answer is 8. 5, 54, 47 dash 49, 56, 51, 57, 53. How to know that this number? 45, 54, 47, 49, 56, 51, 57, 53. You take 1 after 45, 47, 49, 51, 53 means plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Similarly, we will take 53, 51, 49 means minus 1, 2 each, minus 2. Next 49. Next minus 2 is minus 2. 54. Either plus 2 or left minus 2. Similarly, 1 after 54 dash 56 dash 57. 54 अच्छी 56 57 means plus 1 54 plus 1 कहते हैं 55 1 after 1 अच्छे तर 54 55 56 57 1 after plus 1 एला अच्छी plus 2 और right रे असले minus 2 आसीबो. Next 6 18 3 21 7 56 next. This is separate from others. The 6 into 3 middle number 18. Next 3 into 7 middle 21. Next 7 into dash you will 56. And 7 table of 56 code is 8. 7 8 is 56. Then 7 into 8 is 56 or 56 divided by 7. 7 8 is 56 0. It is 8. If you like, you must subscribe and share to others. Then go to next 2, 15, 4, 12, 6, 7 dash and dash. The first अच्छी 2 अच्छी तारा में कौन करेगा 2 ने ले 1 after 1 नहीं चलेगा 1 after 1. 2, 4, 6 next come 8. 8 अच्छी 8 8 0 अच्छी फर्स्ट असला 8 असला. नेक्स्ट कौन लगा 1 after 1 15 12 7 15 12 7 15 12 with gap 3 12 and 7 gap 5 minus 3 minus 5 next is minus 7 hala minus 7 7 7 hala 0 7 7 hala 0 the answer is 8 and 0 answer is 8 and 0 next in our question we will discuss 0 2 3 5 8 10 15 17 24 26 next test one of 0 3 plus I'm like 1 after 0 3 next 8 next 15 24 26 let 0 like a plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 3 5 8 plus 7 15 15 plus 9 24 24 the next 24 plus 2 2 11 asla 11 24 plus 11 hobo 35 eta 8 15 15 1 24 next 35 gap is plus 3 increase plus 5 increase plus 7 it gap 2 next gap 2 next gap 2 next gap is 2 tale 8 plus 7 15 15 plus 9 24 24 plus 11 35 answer is 35 next time question we will discuss seventh question this is 625 5 125 25 25 dash 5 this is a confusion 25 25 serially then we how to calculate it or fill up the gap continue to 25 then like back 5 into 5 25 25 one after you will take one after one from backward 5 into 5 25 25 into 5 125 125 into 5 620 then series is this the next series left to right right to left left to 5 into 5 25 next 25 into 5 125 answer is 125 it is right to left into 5 but this serial is left to right into 5 answer is 125 if you like you must subscribe and share to others then I will discuss 8 question this series 11 10 dash 100 1001 1000 then 1001 10,001 11 10 dash that means the 11 minus 1 asche it 100 1000 achi how to know that this will what comes that is 1000 achi it is 10,000 minus 1 means minus 1 divided by 10 answer is 1000 next plus 1 answer is 1001 similarly minus 1 divided by 10 1001 minus kale 1 minus kale 1000 divided by 10 is equal to 100 is equal to 100 next 100 plus 1 next serial is 100 plus 1 is equal to 101 answer is 101 okay serial is 101 next is 101 minus 1 divided by 10 divided by 10 101 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10 answer is already given 10 next is 10 plus 1 11 this series is 10,000 minus 1 divided by 10 next number it will come from backward to forward right to left 10,001 next comes 1000 means minus 1 divided by 10 -1 हेले 10,000 10,000 डिवाइड कर 10 हेले 1,000 तार +1 1000 +1 1001 नेक्स्ट हेलो 1001 -1 हला डिवाइड बाय 10 100 नेक्स्ट नंबर सीरीज आसी 100 + 1 100 + 1 101 नेक्स्ट -1 डिवाइड बाय 10 10 तार 10 + 1 11 this is the type of series. You will take 8 numbers, 8 types of series. Next we will go to 9 series. If you like, you must subscribe and share to others. Series is 0 4 6 3 7 9 6 dash and 12 question mark this and dash 12. Then how to know that 0 4 6 3 7 9 6 dash 12. There is no ascending or no ascending. 0 plus 3 plus 3 6 next 6 plus 9. Then similarly 0 after 2 number you will take next number 3 after 2 number you will take next number +3 +3 similarly 4 after 2 number के 7 +3 after 2 number 7 + 3 10 answer is 10 similarly 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 3 12 3 category first तापर fourth 7th सेवेंथ रसला नेक्स्ट अब सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ एट्थ सिमिलरली ए टाइप 1 2 आफ्टर नंबर 2 आफ्टर नंबर सिमिलरली दिस विल हैपन the answer is 10 next number is we will go to next series number. This is a very critical number and very important number, very important series. How to calculate this is very easy to calculate this series. First 2 1 2 4 4 5 6 7 8 8 10 11 dash. How to calculate 2 1 2 4 4 5 6 7 8 8 10 11 dash. It will be not possible by myself. Will you told it will not possible, but it will be possible by yourself. How to? First 2 plus 2 4 after 2 number plus 2 6 after 2 number 6 plus 2 8 after 2 number 8 plus 2 10. Other series you will try whether it will true or not. After 2 1 plus 3 4 after 2 4 plus 3 7 after 2 number series 7 plus 3 10. Next 2 plus 2 4 plus after 2 number after 2 number 2 5 after 2 number 5 2 plus 3 5 after 2 number 8 5 plus 3 8 after 2 number 8 plus 3 11. This is the series for plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 3 plus 3. You will take first 2 after 2 number plus 2 after 2 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 2 10. Answer is 10. It is not a difficult. You will told it is a very difficult. It will not possible myself, but it will possible if you will practice and take this series. आम चैनल को सब देखु सब्सक्राइब करूँ जाने आप नुआ नुआ जिन जानीपर ଆପଣ ଆଗରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ଯାଇଛି ଜିକେ ମ୍ୟାଥ ଯାଇଛି ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଆହୁରି ଆଗକୁ ଆମେ ଡେଭଲପ୍ କରିବା କେମିତି ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ଆପଣ କୌଣସି ଓରି ହେବେନି ଯେ ଆମ ଏଇ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଆସୁନାହିଁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ବା ଯେକୌଣସି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଫେସ୍ କରିବେ ତାକୁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଆମେ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିଦେବୁ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସରେ ବି ଦେଇପାରିବେ ଯେ ୟାର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ କେମିତି ସଲ୍ଭ ହେବ ଆମେ ତେଣୁ କରିକି ଦେଉଛୁ ଆପଣମାନେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଆପଣମାନେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଯାଇକି ଆମର ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟାକୁ ଗ୍ରୋ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲା ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ